this thrilling encounter between these two teams. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Sterling. Good distribution. Perfectly executed. That's good link-up play. It's Messi! They'll be delighted with that. What a goal.
Well, I think we're all looking forward to seeing that goal again. He was far out, but didn't put the player off. Fantastic finish.
Passed well. He's given the referee a decision to make here. That is a bad foul. And with the defender now. Oh, this is crisp passing. Mbappe. Is this a goal? And he fires wide into the side netting. Well, let's take another look at that effort on goal. Here's Mane. What a well-timed tackle. Salah. And it's back to the keeper. Great patience here. Just the keeper to beat. What an unbelievable goal!